Okay, so so what's going to happen here is I'm going to take some compounds. I've got 5 compounds here. Most of them are white powders. Normally I do this in pretty clear beakers, but all the beakers are packed up. So I found some plastic cups. So you guys will have to just chill. All right, so I have deionized water. This is purified water that's had all the ions drawn out of it. So if you were to, let's see what this looks like with just DI water first, hoping that this cup is clean, which I should have checked beforehand. But I have a conductivity meter here, which is basically a light bulb, okay, except it's the circuit is broken down here, okay? So if I put this in a solution that conducts electricity, the circuit will complete and the light bulb will light up. If you put this in deionized water, I hope, oh, thank goodness, okay. Deionized water, nothing happens, yes? Okay, that's good. That was what was supposed to happen. That doesn't always happen with my demos. I'm going to add water to all of these. Unfortunately, I brought more water. Before we packed up the labs last spring, I was filling every vessel I could find with deionized water because I knew this was going to happen, that I was going to need DI water in the fall. Okay, so if we put this in sodium chloride, I'm going to swirl this guy around. This is table salt, yes? Yes. Okay, so. Okay, yeah. Right? Okay. And you're going to have to take my word for it that this is dissolved in water. Okay? So, and by dissolved, I mean that you can no longer see the particles of salt. For the most part, I put a little too much salt in there. But anyway, I'm going to rinse this off in here. Okay? Now we're going to try what's the next one in the list? What order are they in? It doesn't really matter, but. Yeah, I couldn't find the Fe2O3. I was really mad. So we're going to do Al2O3. This I could find. And it is not dissolved. Al2O3. So where I'm doing Al2O3 instead of Fe2O3. Okay. What's the next one on the list? I know, but KBr. Okay, great. Here's KBr. Okay, this is nicely dissolved, mostly. C12H22O11, is that on the list? Yeah. Okay. Table sugar. Brought this from home.
But it is dissolved.
But it is dissolved, yes, very good. And SiO2, is SiO2 on the list?
No.
C2H5.
Yeah, so the C2H5OH is ethanol, and that would have melted the cups.
Right.
So I guess I could have put it in the solo cup, that would have been okay. Anyway, so I'll just tell you, the C2H5OH dissolves in water but does not conduct electricity. Okay? And then the last one I'm going to give you is SiO2. This is meant to replace the Fe2O3, actually. Okay? SiO2, silicon dioxide, not dissolved in water. That's the whole demo. You have your data.